everyone, this is KJ Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, again, gawa natin yung reaction video, ang mga latest ganap ng BINI for today's video. So, in one second longer, I'm really excited to watch this. Wala ba kayo nalata? Maganda ba yung audio ko? Sabihin nyo naman maganda yung audio ko, para kunwari, gumaan yung feeling ko sa nagastos ko. Charis! So, in one second longer, let's all watch this. Panoorin natin to. Ano yung mga bagong ganap sa BINI? Kanina baka dapat ako gawa ng reaction video. Busy lang ako eh. Ay, saan si Sheena? Ang ganda talaga ni Sheena. Favorite ko talaga lately si Sheena. Ay, asan sila, be? Sa concert? Wait lang. Bago lang to ah. Concert ba itong pinuntahan nila? Cutie.
So let us know about the future.
BINI is working on the project.
This is gonna be the
Interview?
first time that we're going to mention this, and you'll be the first time to hear this. We have a big collaboration that's coming up very, very soon.
Kanino?
It's with a big Latin artist, and we're super excited. We admire. Oh, I should not that person. But
Okay.
that person.
Too much information.
That person, and we're excited to share it to you all.
Hala, may collab sila. Oh my God, sino? Ang tunay na baliw for today's video. Ay, ang ganda talaga nito. Very Latinang zero pressure. Sa totoo lang, very Latina. K-pop soloist fans. Okay. Ay, matagal na to.
We have a big collaboration.
Kanino sila may collab? Oh my God.
Big Latin artist, and we're super excited. We admire. Oh, I should not that person.
Yeah, you shouldn't. You shouldn't.
That person, and we're excited to share it to you all.
You almost let something slip there.
Mm-mm. Totoo.
I mean, you guys talk about how you blend in different genres. You were just talking about R&B. So why was Latin something that you guys were excited to do musically?
The Latin market is a very big market for us to conquer.
Yes.
I think it's
Kaya yun, in fairness sa kanila, ha?
for them to hear the Philippine music.
Kaya pala, ay Latin America, hindi pala Eurovision, pala Europe. Kaya pala, sa Billboard pala ito sa Billboard pala ito.
Actually, this is
Another international call for BINI. Another international, bakit? Ano yung isa?
You'll be the first time to hear this.
Another international. Ano yung isa? Ay, si BINI Junana. Ay, cutie. Ay gosh, ito talaga siya. Ang bongga talaga nito. Alam mo, pang World Cup ang introduction. Hindi mo kaya. Hindi mo kaya, pang World Cup ang introduction, dear. Totoo. Sige na, sana kunin kayo ng Saudi kasi yung sa 2030 or 2035, ang ganda na yung introduction nila. Ay. Ganda ng introduction nila. Naka-move on na ba kayo? Parang, feeling ko hindi pa naka-move on. Dito. Grabe, no? Ang laki pa ng backdrop nila, oh. Imagine. May mga mini. Ano kayo mini ng bulaklak sa likod? Of course, blooms. Charis. Charis. Baka blooms sa mini. Di ba? Okay, anyways, skip natin yun. Ay, si ano? Ay, napanood na natin yun. Ay, ang ganda nito. Ay, ang ganda nito. Sino kaya makakakolab nila? Palagay niyo. Wait lang. Hindi talaga mawala sa isip ko nang sinabi niyo yung another collab. Ay, BINI and ASMS. Oh, this was 2023. Ito, ay, ano to, be? Ay, bakit naiyak si Joanna? Third year. Nang third anniversary nila to last year. Fourth anniversary nila. Gabi, it take time, no? It took 4 years talaga before sila umusbong talaga. Kaya nakaka-proud yung ganda ni Ayaw. Uy, totoo ba? May mga nagli-leak na ano? May mga nagli-leak na mga chika. Pero hindi naman ako sure. Ay, eto. Si Maloy ang pinaka-perfect dito. For me, Tsaka si Sheena. Mika also. Grabe si Mika. Grabe din si Sheena. Yung hips ni Sheena doesn't lie. Okay. Ang hips ni Sheena doesn't lie ever. Ay, ano to? Diba? Ay, hello? Ganda ni Mika! Ganda ni Mika! Ay, grabe! Mika, hindi ako handa gawa ganyan ka. Ang ganda ni Mika din. I love it. Ang ganda ni Mika, gagis. Hindi ako makagit over kay Mika. Hala, hindi ako makagit over kay Mika. Seriously, ito, si Aya. Ay, gabi. Gabi, sorry sa term pero yung behind ni Aya, ay, bongga. I love it. Sheena, oh. Aya. Aya never disappoints. Yes, yes. La 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 la. You tries, naughty and nice. Hindi ko pa din siya memorize, sorry. Wala pa din yung mga dance practice nila, no? Kailan nila ilalabas yun? Okay. Okay. Yes. Hips of Sheena doesn't lie talaga. Seriously. Doesn't lie talaga. Oh my God. Ocean Gate is not pretty at all. Eh? Hindi ko na maganda. Ay, si Maloyski. Oh, that was last year. Alright. There you go guys. That is our for today's video. Our Beanie compilation. Ang ganda ng mga bagong kanta nila, no? True. This is KJ Vlog and see you in my next vlog. Bye!